clean, huh?
Yeah, nice and clean.
I see you.
Huh?
I saw you.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
That's in your hand.
Okay. Alright. This should be cool. This should be good.
You mucho bueno, my friend.
Yeah, good, huh? Good, huh? Good camera.
You never learned Spanish in high school?
Yeah, poquito.
¿Poquito?
Yeah. Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Yeah.
Sí, sí.
Okay, we'll take it out. Let's see, there's anything in there. No, there's nothing in there. Just maybe it's not. They don't have a little bit slope. You know what I'm saying? They have to hold water a little bit. Right there.
Yeah.
They have a little bit. This is okay. Overall, it's okay.
Not too bad.
Yeah, you can blow it for me.
Hold on, hold on. I don't want to do my coach.
Okay, can you push it in? Yeah, can you push it in? Yeah, hold close. Close to the cable. Like this one. It's easy. Okay, you know this? Yeah, hold water. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still have water. Yeah, that's the reason why. But see the water here? I don't. I still hold water a little bit. I'm there you go. That's okay. See that? Little bit.
So you put the tail in the main.
Yeah, now I'm gonna put it. Everything for him. It's the only way that you can figure it out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.